Welcome to our channel. If you want to activate your Discover Rewards card and start claiming points, follow these step-by-step instructions. Step 1. Wait to receive your new Discover Rewards credit card in the mail along with activation instructions. Step 2. Visit the Discover website at discover.com or call the activation phone number provided with your card. Step 3. If activating online, log into your Discover account or create a new account if you haven't already. Step 4. Navigate to the Activate Card section and enter your card number and security code. Step 5. Verify your identity by providing personal information such as your social security number or date of birth. Step 6. Review the terms and conditions of your rewards program to understand how to earn and redeem points. Step 7. Complete the activation process and set up your account preferences, including alert notifications. Step 8. Your Discover Rewards card is now active. Start using it for purchases to earn cash back or points. Log into your account regularly to track rewards and claim available points or cash back. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.